And here we are at the villa with the 3 bedroom. And there is a special offer. The villa with the 3 bedroom. How it look like? Let's go to see together. Welcome everybody to Versa channel. Today we are at Hin Lek Fai location and it's close to the Black Mountain Golf Course as well near the bypass road, which you can take it to the Bangkok with this road that is very convenient. And here we are at the villa with the 3 bedroom. How it look like? Let's go to see together. Now we are entered to the parking area, which also have the trash in the beginning of the house, which will be corrected by the projects right there. And they also come with the automatic gate that is made by stainless steel with the system fully in this house. They have also the storage room nearby the parking space right there. And as you see, there is also the EV charger location in this area and the electric control panel here. In this room, it will be the pump room. And there is the water tank underground that is installed under the parking space. This parking is available to park just one car and maybe some space left for the motorbike. And they're also providing the outdoor kitchen or the barbecue area, which is coming with the barbecue stove right here. And also have the counter, which is already installed the sink and the water with the electric socket in this area, which is giving you a convenience for your barbecue time. And here we are at the location where we're gonna walk through the house and we will pass a lovely garden. In this garden, they also install the underground sprinkler, which have the timer set up and come pop up when it's the time where you set. And they also have the small gate entrance, as you see right there, for the guests to enter in the house, which is quite lovely. And it's come with the swimming pool with the size of 4 by 9 meters. Oh, actually this one is 3 by 10 for the swimming pool, and it's come with the overflow or the water fountain right there, which make the house very cozy and having some feeling with the water sound relaxing. Here we are passing the garden area to the terrace, and this terrace is quite open and deep. Let's say it's wide and deep, so they can already fit with the dining table for the 6 seats available right here, as you see, and have the ceiling fan. On other side is as well set with a outdoor sofa, which is quite lovely design. And you see there is the stone at this location, and they do that with the purpose to stop the rain to get into the house when it's coming. This is a drain around the house to drain out the water. And in this location, they also have the chair just in front of the master bedroom to be the time where you can take the sun bath as well. Or even the side here is a outdoor shower, which is very comfortable after get out from the pool, and you have it just nearby the stair of the pool right here. We will make a tour a little bit outside of the house. So beside the house, I would like to show you that they already installed the rain gutter like there, and it's connected to the drainage. On the ground, they also fill up everywhere with the small rocks or stone. Also install the water tap around the house everywhere. And this villa, as I see, they also have the camera CCTV at each corner everywhere. And this is a location where they also install the boiler, which is come with about 200 liters of the boiler. On the top, as you see, there is a solar system, so they have their solar panels in this villa as well. For this villa, they have a double tank to store the water, and it is right here. It's coming with about 5,000 liters water tank on the ground, which is pumped to the house. So you have the water for the main house and water for the garden. On each side, they will have the water tap all at the position to clean and watering around. Now is the time where we are going into the house. And now entering into the house, which we are at a very lovely space, and it's the living room location that is very nice welcome when we get into the house. And it's come with the sofa that is fit in. This size is for 3 people, and there is the armchair just beside. As you see, there is a space between the sofa and television, and you can walk through the kitchen area, which they also have decoration behind the television with a nice marble pattern, and a huge television just in the living room like this. This house is coming with the high ceiling, as you see, and they also install the fan on the ceiling, which make the house look very unique in design. Here, the area after the living room is direct to be the kitchen part, and this kitchen is go well with the house theme because the floor is dark gray and there is the white kitchen coming with the black tiles on the black splash. Here, the kitchen is quite organizing well because there is a lot of space inside, and the cooking is come with the induction cooking table, which is also set up on the beside the sink. And here I think the dishwasher is also ready to use and include in the kitchen. As for this side, they set up it with the electric appliance like the oven and microwave with the refrigerator. The space is quite well organized, and here there is a room where they put the electric control panel plus the solar panel. Maybe this is the battery. And we will get into the bedroom on my left side. This bedroom is the master bedroom. Wow, it's very nice bedroom. When I enter, I like this feeling that the bed is just beside the terrace and the swimming pool view is just right there. This room is coming with the king size bed, which already showing nice color decoration with the gray and black. And this terrace is connected to the swimming pool direct with the view of the mountain. This villa, they do with a good quality door. The sliding door is very smooth that come with the double glass layer. And as well, I noticed this is the mosquito screen with very good quality. It's very good resistance with the thin sharp, like a knife can really resist. And if you have pet, this is very good one. In case of the scratching, it will not damage and easy to clean as well. Here, the room is having the space, small space to put the armchair for you to read or to get relaxed before bedtime, with the console table right here or the cupboard. And in this master bedroom, there is a ensuite bathroom just right here. Before get into the bathroom, there is a walk-in closet, which showing that they fit everything right for you here. And the bathroom is just after. When get into the bathroom, you will see there is a double sink for his and her, and on other side is the toilet, just right there. On this side is a shower, which is come with the door closed to separate the wet area, so it's easy for you to clean. What I like in this house, and it's very comfortable, is the floor that come with one layer, no big step to avoid and get accident. From here we are going to another part of the house with the 2 bedroom, and it's just opposite to each other. The master bedroom is separate in one side, that is not get bothering. When you have guests, you still have the privacy. And here we are get into, so since we enter in another zone, we start by this room. This is the 2nd bedroom, which coming with a nice decoration and lovely color as well. It come with the king size bed and also have a lovely table just in front. What I like is the windows that is big enough and get the soft light into the house, because they have a film and double glass layer to ventilate the to isolate the heat not to get into this room, which is very good for electric consumption, not using too much. Here in this room there is also wardrobe that come with the light color, going well with the room that is come lovely decoration. And here is a dressing table, come with the mirror that is with the light on it. Let's continue to other room. So here the next door is the bathroom. This bathroom is used to share with guests, and the 2nd bedroom that I just showed you before. When we enter, we have the single sink that installed and the toilet position, which come with very nice decoration behind the toilet. So this is the toilet that is often used in Europe. It's installed a water tank inside. In Thailand, it's very rare where they are using this system, but it's nice to see because it's make the house look good and easy to clean. And here, the shower as well, they come with the separate with the door to make the water on that zone only. Let's explore the last bedroom, which is just right there. This bedroom is the 3rd bedroom that I'm showing, and there is also the same setup like the room number 2, but different color, mood and tone. It's coming with the dressing table and the wardrobe right here. This bed is still coming with the king size bed that's showing nice color with the house, coming with the soft gray color with the beautiful decoration, and still have a console table which you can use to put television in this room or just keep it like that. And especially this room is using the shared bathroom that I just showing you with the 2nd bedroom together and the guests. And this room they have the door to access to the swimming pool and to the terrace as well. All the rooms are unique and well spaced with their organization to have all the functions together. And I noticed that the light in each room they're able to change color. Right now there is a purple color that is turning to be the pink one. This is the beauty of this villa. They play with the light in the room. As everybody see entire house, and I showing you outside and inside this villa, they have a lot of things extra. Without the extra, I will tell you the two price. First, this villa is come with the land of 575 square meters, which is having 3 bedroom and 2 bathroom with the swimming pool 3 by 10 meters long and the waterfall. This house without the mosquito screen and solar panel and also without the water tank underground extra, it will come with the price of 10.15 million baht. But if you take everything as you see in this video, it's coming with the price of 10.95 million baht, including furniture, as you see right here, and the upgrade of kitchen like we have in this show house. And there is a special offer in this project, as they are the plots in the promotion just right now is offering you exactly the same house, the same fully furnished with the material and solar panel. Now they offer you with the price of 9.25 million baht only. This price, there is a time limit, and if you're interested to get more details and come to see this house before the price is or somebody would take it, you can call me 086 424 5951 and send me email in info@bellasset.com. See you in the next video, and this house is very nice and good value. Can contact me to get more information. Bye bye.